Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to tell you about 3 passive income opportunities that are growing fast in 2020. You don't want to miss this out, so let's get started. First of all, we want to start with creating YouTube content. YouTube content could be very profitable. It takes a little while to build up the ability to monetize your content because you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But once you build up enough content, enough watchers, and enough watch hours, you can start monetizing your videos, and this can translate into income. We have a lot of different YouTubers and content creators that are definitely earning a lot of money through creating content, through creating videos that could even be very simple to make, very easy to create, right? And they are making a lot of money with it. For example, we have here this guy Nuke's Top 5, right? And we have an ad before his video starts because the ads are what they get paid with. Those 5 seconds paid him a certain amount of cents, and then those add up to the point where they can make a lot of money. Let's go to his page and check it out. He does top 5 list. That is a very popular niche in YouTube. This is something that you could take advantage in. If you pick a niche that is very popular, more people are gonna watch you. So for example, he has scary stories. Let's go to Social Blade and check out how much money he's making. He's making in between $5,000 and $86,000 a month, in between $64,000 and $1 million a year. That is a lot of money. Even if you take it into consideration that he's probably not making that huge amount, he's still making a good amount of money, because even if you made 25% of that, he's still making about $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 a month, right? And that's a lot of money, a lot of income for just making videos. It's a very good income for anybody. Even Will Smith got here on the game. If you see, Will Smith is posting videos about chill music with just some drawings of him on top of them, and we can see that these videos are very popular as well. There's a lot of chill music, lo-fi videos, there's a lot of tutorials, there's a lot of reviews. Usually YouTube shows you stuff that you've watched before. This is definitely related to stuff that we've seen here before, but you can see there are a lot of different types of content, a lot of different types of niches that are attractive to different people, that will generate views that then will translate into making money. So for example, we have this guy here, Neotic. Neotic has videos about music and just an image behind it, very relatable, very simple to make, to be honest, and he's making between $400,000 and $7,000 a month from this, right? So even if he's only making a quarter of that top number, that $7,000, he's still making like $2,000-$3,000 a month, which is a very good income for anybody. People could just live on that income on itself. So making these videos could definitely turn very profitable, but you need to make a lot of content. Now, our second way to make money passively in 2020 is using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of selling someone else's product and earning a commission when you sell that product. ClickBank is a great example of an affiliate marketplace. They have a lot of categories with a lot of different products that you can pick from, and you can start selling their products. We see here they have categories like games, right? If you're interested in games, this is something that you could sell because it's easier to sell something that you're interested in versus something that you don't really care for. So the cool thing about it is that you have a lot of options you can pick from, and you can pick something that you're interested in arts and entertainment, games, computers, etc., and even other marketplaces like ShareASale. ShareASale is another affiliate marketplace that has a different set of products. These products are a little more universal, and they have a really good list of clients or marketers who are trying to send their products through affiliate marketers, right? So we have here all their categories. They have art and music, automotive, clothing, and if we see their merchants, they have Spanx, Reebok, MassCutie, right? They have a lot of really good brands. They have Bear, US Polo Association, Hydro, right? They have a lot of really good brands that are very attractive to a lot of people. So people are buying those brands. So you're selling stuff people are buying, and you could even sign up to Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the same process, just with Amazon products. You usually earn a little bit less with this, but again, it's a big pool of products and a lot of things that people are interested in. If we see here, they show you a lot of stuff that they have for cheap right now. So for example, this little memory card right here, you can get a link to it, right? The way it works is you get a link in affiliate marketing, you get a link that then you use to promote that product, and when people click on that link and they buy that product, that person who shared it makes money. So we see here in this page, tips and review they are offering this memory card. It's very cheap, it's like $8, so it's a very good deal, but definitely a way to make very good passive income in 2020. And if you're serious about it, you should even sign up to the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a webpage that specializes in joining forces within affiliate marketers and business owners and course creators in order to help each other get a higher income from the sales or sell more products, because it's definitely in the interest of both of you to sell more so that you both make more money. So if you want to check more about it, you should check out the Affiliates Club. You should sign up. You should sign up to their free masterclass. It's Andy Isom's masterclass, who's made over $45,000 last year just on affiliate marketing. So definitely worth checking it out. Now let's go to our third and last passive income opportunity in 2020, which is creating your own product. Now, it might be hard to create a whole product out of nowhere, but anybody could write a book. Really, anybody could create a course. Everybody has some kind of knowledge that other people don't have, and this is definitely a good opportunity for you to create a product that then you're gonna sell. For example, you could go to one of these pages like BookBaby, like Amazon self-publishing, and you can create your own book, write your own book, and publish it yourself. And once you publish it, you just wait for the money to come in when your book makes a sell. Hopefully your book will sell very well, but if it does, you're gonna make a lot of money. And the cool thing about it is, again, like every other last example, you don't really have to do much work. You only do the work once, it's posted, and then you just sit back and wait for the money to come in. That's the cool thing about passive income. So check out one of these web pages, Thinkific. You should check out Udemy. You should check out Skillshare. You should check out BookBaby. You should check out Amazon self-publishing. You should check out all of them and create your own course. And once you're done creating your own course, you should maybe try ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a way to make a web page, an easy template to make a web page that also has an affiliate program. So if you join their affiliate program, you could even sell their product and make money that way, but it will help you sell your product as well. So if you're thinking about creating your own product, you can sell it the same way that you would sell affiliate marketing, and you could even create your own web page and sell it there. So check out ClickFunnels, definitely worth checking it out. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you watching this video. We hope that this video was helpful to you. We're constantly uploading new videos on ways to make money online. So if you are interested in this, you should subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you know next time we have a video up about new ways to make money online. We want to thank you once again, and we hope to see you later. Take care.